Times Tables Rockstars is a fun rock and roll way to learn times tables. Whether you're using our paper resources, our website, or our app, your students will enjoy securing their multiplication and division facts to become Times Tables Rockstars. TTRS takes a little and often approach to learning times tables. Our data shows that just 3 minutes a day make a huge difference in securing the times tables. With our worksheets, each table starts with a baseline assessment, followed by a carefully sequenced rehearsal of facts, building in difficulty. Baselines are repeated in the middle and at the end of each pack, allowing for clear tracking of each student's progress. The online games can be played on any internet-enabled device. Students can pick individual or multiplayer games, and as they play, our clever algorithm adapts the questions they face to target areas they need to improve. As students improve their recall, they move up a scale of rock statuses, as well as earning coins to spend in the avatar shop. You can reward their progress with custom certificates, including our Gone Green certificate, which students can unlock when they turn their heat map green. They can even have battles against other classes in the school and around the world. If you're a school in England, you'll also have access to our MTC Hub, containing everything you need to get ready for the multiplication tables check. Each Year 4 student can take part in 3 mock MTCs that are just like the real thing, so they can get used to the test format. You'll get rich data on their MTC readiness and be able to benchmark your school's results against national data. So get your class playing today. The more regularly they play, the sooner they'll become a Times Tables rock star.